Hey there, Erin Afner with AfnerWords here. I'm back with another Monday mantra. Happy Mindful Monday. Each week I channel a mantra based on the collective energy that I'm picking up on, and I write them in first person so you can use them for yourself. I use mantras in my daily practice to help reprogram my brain and shift my mindset. Also achieve goals, heal. Mantras are useful in many ways. So words are powerful. I invite you to try mantras in your own life. This week's mantra is, I'll turn my depression into self-expression. I'll turn my depression into self-expression. So I know a lot of people are dealing with depression right now. The world is heavy. Things are crazy. There's chaos. There's everything all at once. 2020 has given us quite a ride. So I myself just came out of 2 months of really all year, but the last 2 months especially bad. I finally feel like I'm kind of popping my head out of the pod of depression that I've been in. And self-expression helped tremendously for me to kind of process it and move through it and move past it. So for me, that means journaling. That means writing it out. Or it means roller skating, skating it out. If I were a runner, maybe that would be running it out or biking it out or however that is for you. Journaling is very powerful though. If you don't do it, I highly advise it, highly recommend just purging your feelings onto the page. It really helps. It really does. This is an invitation and a reminder to hold space for self-expression. Allow yourself to express, whether it's good or bad, happy or sad, whatever it is, express it, right? A lot of us have built up anxiety, anger, fear. Those are the biggies. There's more though. Just whatever it is, let it out. It helps. It'll elevate you a bit, little by little, until it's gone. So here's the mantra one more time. I'll turn my depression into self-expression. I'll turn my depression into self-expression. So help transmute that depression, low vibe energy, you guys, and, find a way to channel it into some self-expression to keep moving forward and not get stuck. So thank you for watching. I love you. Please, on YouTube, subscribe if you're watching there. If you are watching on social media, I would love it if you would comment below and tell me, have you been feeling depressed lately? Have you been going on the roller coaster too? Let me know. Say hi. All right. Thanks again, and I will see you next week. Bye.